In this week's video, I discuss 5 things that make your property value increase. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Nicole Realtor, where you will learn useful information to help you downsize your home, to sell it painlessly, to net you more money quickly. My name is Nicole Burke. I'm a real estate agent in Long Island, where I sell houses for over 17 years in the Long Island area and Queens area. So let's get started on this week's topic. What makes property value increase? The number one factor that affects your property values is supply and demand. Going back to Economics 101. When we have in the market a high volume of buyers looking for houses and there are just a low amount of houses on the market, this pushes the property values up. Since there aren't too many houses on the market. And the opposite is true too. When there's a low amount of buyers looking for houses and there's so many houses on the market, this forces the prices to go down on houses. Number 2, upgrades and updates. Kitchen and bathroom improvements have the biggest effect on the value of your home. You might want to consider, should you have room, adding an additional bedroom to increase your property value. Number 3, location. Some questions to ask yourself. Is your home near any transportation? Is it near a highway? Is it near any shops? Near any schools, university? Is it in a tourist location? The more sought after your home location is, the more your property value will be. This one will surprise you. Interest rates. When the Federal Reserve decides to increase or lower their interest rate, lenders will follow suit and do the same as the Federal Reserve does with the interest rates. When the interest rate is lowered, this increases the buyer's purchasing power. When the lender decides to increase the interest rate, this in turn lowers the buyer's purchasing power, which at the end increases or decreases your property value. Number 5, your neighbor's house. When you decide to put your house on the market, you want to consider looking at your neighbor's houses who sold their house within a 1-mile radius of where your house is located. Look at the houses that sold between 6 to 12 months of when you decide that you're going to put your house on the market. This is a good indication of what values your house have increased, decreased, or stayed the same. It is important to know what your house is worth prior to putting your house on the market. There are some online tools which generally give you an idea of what your house is worth. However, it would be important to get the advice or speak with a professional real estate agent who is familiar with your area and familiar with the houses that sold in your area to give you a more specific valuation of what your house is worth. Thank you for watching this video. Should you have any real estate questions or concerns, feel free to comment down below what you would like for me to discuss in my upcoming videos. Feel free to comment below if there's anything you would like for me to discuss in my upcoming videos. Also comment that below. I would love to hear your feedback on what you would like to know about. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you will be notified when I have upcoming videos coming up. See you next week and make sure to have a great day.